Let me show you how I made this beautiful animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Let me go to insert, go to shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Then go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box and drag it over here and write here web and change the font and change the font size and place it here. Now let me select the background shape and the text box, go to shape format, go to merge shape, click on subtract. Now I have to insert a video. So I have downloaded the video from my favorite website, the pixabay.com, and this is totally free. I will give the link in the video description. Now go to insert, go to video, click on this device. Let me insert this video, click on insert. Make sure it covers the whole slide, click on right button and send it to back. Now let me select this shape, click on right button, go to format shape, go to fill, click on gradient fill and let me select this stops and make it white color and select this stops, go to eyedropper and select this color. Now select this stops and change the transparency like this and select this stops, also change the transparency here. Now select the video, go to playback, click on loop until stop and click on automatically. Then let me select this shape, go to shape format, go to shape effect, go to preset and select preset 6. Now let me watch the slideshow. And this is looking beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.